assure all of you and each one of you that nobody is different here. We all are same.
That's true.
We belong to the same nation and we share the same culture. It may be different in regions, it may be different in religions,
That's true.
but yes, we share the same nation and we share the same spirit. Friends, last Sunday, out of some ignorance, out of some lack of education, one of our policemen passed derogatory remarks for few of us. We are deeply anguished and deeply hurt. Mind you, I have used the word we. My friend Kima was hurt and so was I. I share his anguish because at some point of time, at some stage, we have also passed through these remarks which might be racial, which might be derogatory, which might be separatist. And hence, I share his anguish. Like a courageous soldier, he posted it on his blog, on a post. We responded to it. We came together. I must say, I must mention here, Mr. Kima was very, very, very positive in his approach, in his attitude. He came forward and he desired to educate the people who were unaware of such remarks, who were unaware of the feelings behind the remarks. True to his desire, we called a meeting. We sat together yesterday for around 2 hours. I myself, as a leader, I try to speak to all my men to educate them about the region. Mr. Kima was a welcome guest and he also educated all of us. We shared his anguish and the matter was resolved in such a way that there was no bitter feeling for anybody in anybody's mind. We ended meeting on a very sweet note, on a very tender tone. There itself, I desired Mr. Kima to meet all of you, all the community. Not only the community from Mizoram, community from all the states for which there is still ignorance and still negligence in the minds of few of the people. I am here as a leader of the force to assure all of you that none of you would be segregated racially, derogated. If you are facing any of such problems, you are welcome to speak out, you are welcome to meet us, you are welcome to telephone us. My phone is already with Mr. Kima, my mail is already with Mr. Kima. If you undergo any kind of racial segregation, if you undergo any kind of regional segregation, any separatist derogatory remark, you are most welcome to voice it before us and we'll definitely see to it that you get justice and you get justice with honor. Not dishonored justice, you'll get justice with honor. We are here to assure you that you are as much a citizen of India and Mumbai as much I am. You share equal rights and you share the same rights as we share. I am here to assure you of all the assistance, of all the security that we can and that you deserve. Thank you very much for listening and thank you very much for being here. Thank you.
Just want to thank you.
Thanks so much. On behalf of the Mumbai Mizo Christian Fellowship and Mumbai Mizo Association, I just want to thank Mr. Tamboli for coming here and assure us that there will be peace between us and there will be understanding between everybody. In the future, and such thing will not happen again. And just want to thank you, sir, for coming here. Thank you so much.
Let me also introduce you my colleagues. Mr. Bagade, he is the in charge of the Malabar Hill police station. He is the person under whom the person was there, whom we have educated. He would be here, and this church comes under his jurisdiction. He is Mr. Dilip, who is my leader, who has been helping me throughout my tenure here. We would be here, friends, time and again, whenever you need us, whenever you feel like we should be here, and to assure you the help. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Please join us for 3 years.